edges of your sticker is gonna pop up. So here's my really quick tip and trick. There's a lot of different ways, and this is one of the ways, really cute and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and top coat, apply the no wipe top coat. I'm not sure if with the you have to wipe top coat is gonna turn out or it's gonna work for the sticker or not, but no wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds, so it's really nice and shiny. Cure for 30 seconds, and then this is a first look. Let me wipe off the residue first from my crystal picker. How gorgeous it is, so adorable. You will never go wrong with this. And then the second this one, I'm gonna, maybe, which one is that? Where is that at? Yeah. Oh my god, this one is cute. Like, this one is so cute. Maybe this one is cute. It's kind of matching with the nails, you think? Let's add a couple on. I don't know. There's so many cute design. Grab this your sticker before they're all gone. They're so cute. And look at this, all this sunflowers. A lot of them are gone though. Well, I was not gonna scare everyone. It's still there, but a lot of them are gone though. I'm not going to lie to you. So let's see. All right. So I'm gonna get my tool. My favorite is tweezer. So I left it out there. So favorite is tweezer. So when you get these tweezers, be careful. Make sure you keep this, like, whatever cover is for it. Don't poke yourself because it's really sharp. So this one looks cute, like a unicorn one. This one is cute. This one's so cute. This one right there. Just so cute and simple. You can add her right there. And then we're going to turn at the other end and rub it in. You see how cool it is? It's go right in. And it's go curl in and grab the top coat like nobody business. Look at that. So the edges, it's like, it's totally... And then let's do the next one. I found the other one going different direction. Oh my god, it's so sharp, this one. Make sure it's in the center. Okay. That's it. If you are doing for yourself, having fun, if you are doing for the clients, you can definitely offer the clients like the $6 for 2 nails or $6 for 1 nail. If you're doing, I mean, just a sticker, not talking about the ombre. The ombre is different chalks, different price for that. So that's it. If you want anything else, you can add more on. I just didn't want to cover the... Oh my god, this one is so cute. I want this one. Look, I found this one. Is that cute? The roses is so cute. Maybe this one. I don't know what type of flowers it is, but it's so gorgeous. I don't have to do it whole pieces. I can just cut it off if I like it so much. You can cut it off or shape it like on the side. That's it. And then you can add another one on. I have another one right down here. I'm loving stickers and it's so fun and easy. Besides, the transfer foil sticker is one of really like cute and easy going. Like this one right there. Okay. Right there. It's cute. You like it, Lena? Cute, huh?
Yeah, I will.
Rub in. Oh, so now I love it because it doesn't take away from my ombres. I am really happy with this. I'm just going to see if I can find any tiny teeny little like butterflies, but it looks like it doesn't have any more. It's cutie, but there's a lot of other designs has a tiny butterflies. You can definitely enjoying it. And enjoying it, grab all of them. And then so now here's something that give you a heads up. Don't freak out when you are adding on and say, oh my god, my cart at $1,000. Don't freak out because you hit the checkout button even before you put any payment method in. You will see the discount will take in at the checkout after you hit the checkout button to see the total saving. And then you can go back if you want to add more, or you can just like adjusting it, or you can revising it however you would like. But enjoy and have fun because that is a special thanks from Glitz to every single of you. Instead of giving away for one person to win a one huge prize, we would like to give it to every single Glitz babe. So then you can able to have a lot of supplies, whether you are doing it for yourself or you're doing for your clients. You can have a lot of supplies, a lot of newest trendy products, so then you can able to fulfill a lot of your clients' requests. So now if you want crystal, you can. If you don't want any crystal, you don't have to. If you want any crystals, you can definitely like add some here. You don't have to fill completely everything. So now it's happy. Look at it. I'm gonna show you on the side. You see how cool and flat is on the nail surface. And by just adding a one coat of the no wipe top coat, so then that way it will like suck it right in. Your sticker will never gonna have an issue of like it peeling off on the edges. Now it's just like really a great bond together now. So you can't even take it off now. If you take it off, you're probably gonna rip your sticker off because it already is really like magnets into that top coat. Unless you will like buff it off and fire it off, then it will come off, but it will not coming off. We are going to double secure it using the no wipe top coat. And it's not necessary you have to do is encapsulate. But if you put one thin coat of a condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, it's even better and it's even more secure. All right, so let me top coat this beauty again. You know what? This one is so cool because if you're doing a matte top coat, it looks even gorgeous. Either way, it looks really, really gorgeous. And I can't wait to see your beautiful design. Look at that, is little of the iridescence of Maleficent. No, this is not Maleficent. This is a Blue Lagoon underneath. And there's the First Love. So I'm going to go ahead and kill this baby for it is 60 seconds. And you can add this.